Hey, hi everyone. This is Prince Joseph, and welcome to Pangaya Cuisine, where we cook for the love of it. Today, we're going to be making beef teriyaki sauce and shrimp fried rice. But listen, don't touch that dial. Don't think because I don't look Asian, I can't make this happen. Stay with me and see what happens. I'll teach you some new tricks. Let's go. Here we have our beef. It's already cut in strips. I tenderized it with Korean pear, and we have a shrimp here, a teriyaki sauce there, seasoned salt for our rice. We have our sesame seeds for garnishing for teriyaki sauce, and then we have 2 eggs, onions. We have an onion, and then we have scallions that we're going to be using. So the scallion will be both in our rice and the sauce, and the onion is also going to be divided. Let's get on and prep the few things that we have here. So there we go. Let's put this aside here. Now move on to the slanted ones. And the reason why I'm cutting it in very thin slices is that I'll add it after the beef. Our onions are chopped, and we're going to be using these babies right now. There you go, nice and colorful. So what we'll be doing now, we'll make the fried rice first, sit it aside, and we'll move on with our sauce. Okay, so I'll get the rice out of the refrigerator. There we go. That's our rice. We're now going to make our shrimp fried rice. So in our fried rice, we'll have beef, eggs, and shrimps. I have my canola oil already heating. So let's toss in the beef one at a time. Quickly dump them all in. Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're getting it out without wasting any time. Let's turn the fire down. Toss in our seasoned shrimps. Okay, these shrimps are slightly seasoned with seasoned salt. So I'll just toss it in quickly. And there you go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's get that to saute as well, nicely. Let's leave it on the heat for 2 more minutes. We'll take it off, drain it, we'll put it on the side. Now we'll toss in the onions, and then we'll toss in the eggs. Add in the rice, and then add in some soy sauce. And mind you, I'm using low sodium soy sauce. So there we go with this. We don't want to dry it out, so we'll scoop it out and toss it in there in its bowl. Okay. Right now we're here. Let's begin with the frying of our onion. The fancy word, saute our onions. So we're going to be sauteing the onions, and then we'll add the eggs to it. We'll toss in the rice, which is just here, and we'll add a bit of seasoned salt, and then some soy sauce. So then let's add in our onions. Let's mix around the onions. I just decided in the middle of the show that I'm going to add some minced garlic to our fried rice. So that's just what I'm adding. Let's crack our eggs in there. Add the second one. Try to toss it a bit slowly so you see the yellow part, which is the yolk, and then the protein part, which is the white part. Turn down our heat. And on our heat, I'm adding in the shrimps. Okay, now we have it in our fried rice. Go back to the heat. This is real cooking. This is what I call real cooking. This is authentic home cooking. Add a bit of seasoned salt here. Okay, not too much, not too much. We're trying to stay healthy. Not to wait too long. Transfer the rice. And there's some. Turn the heat low. Turn the heat low. Now we're gonna get our soy sauce. Sprinkle or drizzle some on it. Drizzle some. And it, toss it, toss it, toss it, toss it. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. The rice is looking delicious. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set this aside. I hope you can see it. There it is. We're moving on with the beef teriyaki. Okay. Look at our fried rice. Very beautiful. If you can see it, this is it. We'll fry our beef in here. The beef isn't seasoned. It's just tenderized with Korean pear. Okay, so it only has the Korean pear on it, and the Korean pear has a sweetness to it, and I want to keep that. So what I would do is that when I toss it into the frying pan, I'll add in a little bit of seasoned salt, not too much because the teriyaki sauce is already made and it's here. And it has all the right ingredients infused in it already. So I don't want to overdo it. How this is gonna happen is I'm just gonna toss in the beef. The beef will saute for a bit, and then I'll add in the onions, and I'll add in the teriyaki sauce, and basically that's it, it's done. So let me sprinkle my allspice onto this lovely strips of beef. Lovely strip of beef. Now we shall allow it for it to fry, and we'll add in our basic stuff because it's browning faster than I was anticipating. And it still looks good. Let's toss in our onions. Now is the time to toss in the onions. I usually, when I'm making sauces, what I do is that I begin with frying the onions. All right, I begin with frying the onions, but this time I fry the meat and I'm adding in the onions because I want a bit of a crunchiness, a bit of the crunchiness of the onions to be present in the meal. So that's why it's going in after the meat is fried. Okay, watch and admire how different people are. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Everything looks good here. Everything looks good here. Now we'll add in our teriyaki sauce here. There's not much, but we're gonna add that in. So now we'll just let it simmer. So this is our teriyaki sauce. Very delicious looking. Very delicious looking. We're just gonna let it continue simmering and our meal will be ready. Okay, now our sauce is also ready. As I said, we didn't need any thickening agent. Look, very thick, very brown, and our meal is ready. That's our fried rice and that's our sauce. Okay, here we are with our final presentation. This is what our rice bowl looks like. This is the beef teriyaki sauce with shrimp fried rice. So anyway, this is your boy PJ, Prince Joseph, Hangaya Cuisine, where we cook for the love of it and for the love of you. So visit me again, like, subscribe, tell a friend about me, follow me on all my platforms. If you watched any of my other videos, you already know where I am. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok as well. Yeah? Thanks for your support. Try this and you would love it. See you next time.